Did you know that you can get a Mastercard for free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Mastercard like this one for free in Zambia. Apart from this, I'm also going to show you how you can get a virtual Mastercard for free in Africa. My name is Keith, and on this channel, I talk about money, forex trading, and tutorials. Okay, so if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how you can actually make money, because Mastercard without money is useless. So you need to be able to make money after owning a Mastercard like that one, so that you can be able to spend and do whatever you want with it. So let's begin right away. So all this is all possible by the company called Zazu. So you're going to create an account with Zazu. The Zazu is only going to allow you to have a virtual Mastercard, and you also be able to request for a plastic Mastercard like this one. So to download this application, the link is in the description below. So when you install this application, you're going to have something like this. Okay. Um yeah, so you're going to have something like this. So all you need to do when you open the account, when you open the app, you need to click on uh open an account there. Okay, so you'll be requested to choose a username. Okay, so a username does not need to have spaces. Okay, and the username has to be unique, different from your friends and different from everyone on this platform. So let's choose the username here. So we're going to enter, let me just adjust this thing. Okay, this is better. Put it here. Boom. Okay, so we're going to enter the username. Let's say Keith Zedium. Okay, so as you can see, the username is available. So all we need to do now is click on next. Okay, and the second step we need to do now is to choose our password. Okay, so but passwords you need to choose um an easy to remember password, but it should be very secure and strong, like not easy for someone to guess it. Okay, and you don't have to share this password with anyone else. So I'm going to enter a password here first. So let's say, okay, yeah, so my name is Keith. So let's try to enter a channel. Let's try to enter a password. Okay, so once you're done entering the password, all you have to do is now is click on the button called next. Okay, so just wait for it. Okay, and this step here now we need to enter a phone number. Okay, so my number is 977 77 0202. Okay, so as for me, I already have an account, so if I click send the SMS, it won't work. Okay, so an error will pop up like this one: you already created the user with this device. So as you can see, this number is already there on my account, and I already have an account with Zazu. So this video is all about teaching you how. So this is the third step. The third step is all about entering your phone number, and the fourth step, which is the last one, you'll be required to take a selfie and upload your NRC, and your account will be verified within an hour. So that's it. You've created the Zazu account, and now you can request for a virtual Mastercard or request for a card like this one. Yeah, so yeah, so since I already have an account, so I'm going to log in right away. So just go back, and go back. Okay, so I'm going to log in. So I'm going to pause right now so that you guys don't see my password. So okay, okay, so I've logged into my account. Okay, so uh don't worry about this balance. Okay, I've used all the money which I had inside. So this is the Zazu app dashboard. So when you log in or when you create an account after account is approved, you're going to see something like this. So on this page, this is where you're going to see transactions. Okay, so this is going to see all the transactions you've been doing. Okay, so the purpose of this video is showing you how you can get a free Mastercard, both virtual and the plastic one like this one. So let's begin and get a Mastercard like this one. So all you need to do is to click on cards. Okay. um okay, you have to click on cards here. So when you click on cards, this is you're going to see the cards of which you already have. So in this case, you do not have a card yet, so all you need to do, you need to click on get a new card. So to get a new card, simply click on the same button, get a new card. Yeah, so as you can see, as for me, I already have this Mastercard, so I cannot request another one, but I can request as many as 10 virtual cards I want. Okay, so uh to create a new virtual card, all I need to do now is just to click here. Okay, and I'll be given a new virtual Mastercard. So in this case, when you create an account, you'll be able to click here and you'll be able to request for a new Mastercard. So what happens when you request for a Mastercard? Do they bring for you? Do you have to follow it? Where do you get this same Mastercard? Well, Zazu, its head office are in Zambia and it's in town. Okay, if you'd like to pick this up, the Mastercard, all you need to do is go to Google Maps. Okay, when you go to Google Maps, open it and search for Zazu. Okay. ah okay, yeah, search for Zazu. If you don't know where Zazu is actually in is near Cheston. You need to get on the bus which goes to Cheston. Okay, otherwise just for the Google Maps, it can direct you nicely. Yeah, so when you request for a Mastercard, you'll be notified that your card is ready and you'll be told when and where to get it from. So you'll be able to ask any questions like that if you're not really sure of the place. Okay, so this is about Google Maps. Okay, so let's get back here. So now since you have requested for a Mastercard like this one, like within 2 days you'll be able to get a Mastercard like this one. But for a virtual Mastercard, it's instantly. When you click on request here, I'll be given a Mastercard instantly and we're able to use it. Okay, since now we do have our Mastercards, what's next? So let me just walk you around with this app. We see some of the features which are already there. Okay, so one feature I usually like the most here is the spending feature. Okay, so what does this do? The spending feature actually just shows you how much money you've been spending per month, like the total. So as you can see, money transfers this month I've spent about uh 500 plus, and card payments 167, bills paid 66. I'm sure this is airtime. Then when you come to uh October, okay, so in October I spent 1000. Okay, cards payments, okay, bills paid. Okay, so yeah, so on the spending you'll be able to track how much money you spent per month. Okay, how much money you spent per day. It's per month. Yeah, yeah. So now how do you deposit money in this Zazu account? Okay, so to deposit money is actually easier. There are a lot of um ways to deposit. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on this plus button here. When you click on it, this will pop up. Okay, so you'll be asked, what would you like to do? I want to deposit money. Okay, deposit money. I have to click on the button deposit. Okay, so when you click on it, you'll be told the options to do. So debit cards. Let's say you've got another bank account for which you have a debit card. So you can actually deposit money into this same card.